If you like turkey smashburgers, let me hear you say hell yeah.
What? What?
That's what I thought. Well, let me show you how to make these lovely turkey smashburgers that you're looking at right now. First things first, let's take your cast iron skillet and put it in the oven and set it to 450. While it's heating up, let's take care of prepping the ingredients, starting with 2 pretzel buns that we'll slice in half and put on a baking sheet. Next, let's take 1 tomato and slice it up. Make sure you have 2 pieces of cheddar and 2 pieces of pepper jack on a plate and ready. Get some shredded lettuce in a glass bowl. Get out some mayo, salt, black pepper, and avocado oil. Take a pound of ground turkey and make 4 even bowls with it with your hand. Now that we did all that, let's take this cast iron pan out of the oven, but make sure to put some mitts on first because the pan will be caliente. Next, remember when we put those pretzel buns on the cookie sheet? Well, now we're going to put them in the oven at 200 degrees. This won't really cook or toast them, but it will keep them nice and warm. Who likes cold buns anyway? After you take that pan out, throw it on a burner on high and put a little bit of oil in there. Once the pan is smoking, drop your heat to about medium and put the first patty in and begin to fry. Then take a piece of parchment paper to put under your burger smasher or spatula and give the patty a good smash. While it's cooking, season the top with salt and pepper. Wait about 2 minutes and flip. Okay, not my worst flip. Now we will throw the cheese on, wait about another 2 minutes, and these will be done.